Hello and welcome to this short video on how you can remove guesswork from lyo cycle development with the help of the Lyostat 5 freeze-drying microscope.
Tired of the guesswork involved in freeze-drying cycle development? Struggling with suboptimal processes? Long development times? Or batch failures? Then, Biopharma Group can help.
Introducing the Lyostat 5, a freeze-drying microscope designed and developed by Biopharma Group's instrument specialists. The Lyostat 5 eliminates uncertainty by letting you truly understand the critical event behaviors of your products during lyophilization. Visually observe freezing and drying in real time, right down to the critical collapse and eutectic melt temperatures. No need to rely solely on assumptions. You gain precise visual insights to develop robust, repeatable freeze-drying cycles. The Lyostat 5 empowers you to identify optimal freeze-drying cycles, significantly reducing development time and saving valuable resources. It's a vital tool for research and development, helping to optimize product quality, reduce cycle times, and troubleshoot issues. For quality assurance and quality control, it ensures consistency and minimizes batch failures, guaranteeing product stability. The Lyostat 5 boasts impressive capabilities including precise temperature control from -196 to +125 degrees Celsius, and vacuum control down to 10 power -3 millibar. Its high-performance digital camera captures up to 80 gigabytes of information with great clarity, and the user-friendly software offers full control over programmable temperature and pressure profiles, with real-time data plotting and optional 21 CFR Part 11 compliance.
Stop guessing and start knowing. Elevate your freeze-drying process with the Lyostat 5 freeze-drying microscope. Visit biopharmagroupcdmo.com to learn more and connect with our specialists. Thanks for watching.